Coming in, yeah.
All right, birthday girl, are you ready for today? First things, what are we gonna do?
Jet ski.
Oh
And
boy.
later.
Oh, look at you. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good? Great. Thank you. Yeah, this is funny. All right, are you excited for today?
Yes.
Birthday girl, happy birthday today. How are you, buddy? You good?
Instructor. I will be your guide today.
Hey, thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday to you.
Thank you so much, bro. How big is this jet ski?
This is FX Cruiser Yamaha
Oh, yes.
Supercharged 260 horsepower.
Wow.
Is the fastest one in the world.
Eee, what do you call it before?
FX Cruiser Supercharged
Hey,
Yamaha
so
last model.
can we call it like the
Ferrari.
Ferrari? Thank you so much, bro. This is the Ferrari of the beach. Look at these, look at these, look at these. Are you excited? Let's take it for a spin.
Go. We can only go slow in the marina, so.
Because there's a lot of boats.
And it's early morning. We can't wake up the people.
The
I need to
swell
wake
is
myself
good.
up, to be honest. I'm a bit sleepy, but
Yeah.
it's all good. It's all good. I didn't want to get my own one. I'm too
Just too scared because we
it's
got the
too
supercharged
fast,
one.
Yeah. But don't kill me.
I'll try
Don't
not
be
to.
crazy.
I'll try not to. We'll do some zeros, do some fun stuff like this.
Oh God, wish me
Gotta be
luck,
fun.
guys. Okay, go.
You sure?
Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up that.
Guess who's driving?
I don't want to go fast.
Just a little bit. Why not? Go, 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 go. Nice. Nice. Wave. Give it to him. Get it, baby. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go! What's wrong? Careful with that. Going in!
How was it?
It's great. How was it for you?
I was scared for a little bit, but then I got used to it. I stopped screaming after like 10 minutes. The birthday morning started off right.
Let's go. Up to the next one. Up to the next, up to the next one. How's your day going so far? Hey, where we at?
We are at Wet Deck.
It's the spot. Oh yes. Pink towels. What are you doing?
Filming you.
What do you think about this place, baby?
Pretty. I like it. I love all the like little details. Like
What?
the tiles, it's all like, you know that's, when it's a unicorn colours.
Ah, the
you know?
unicorn colors.
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, look at you. So we had to change the spot. Why?
Because the depth of the water was very shallow, so the water was so hot. And we didn't even realize until we got up and went to the bigger pool, and then we realized, oh, we're missing out. And then we left our stuff there, right? So to get to the place, I had to jump in the pool to avoid burning my feet. But we got there eventually. And then when I stepped in that water, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe we were sitting there for like 20 minutes. It's like a hot bath. But we're good now. It's all good.
Finally! Food is here. How excited are you? Be honest. Just be honest. How excited are you for this burger?
I'm so excited I'm lost for words.
You got the same thing?
Yeah, but no cheese. I don't like
Yeah, I got it with the cheese. Gotta keep it cheesy. Let's go. Got myself a pina colada, a version 1. What you got?
beat the heat. So it's
Beat the heat.
Beat
Beat
so
that
it's,
heat.
passion fruit coconut and passion fruit coconut and
And nothing.
something else. Apple, I think.
Yeah, that looks nice. Oh,
No. It's passion fruit, coconut, and lime.
a lime. Yeah, lime. Yeah, brah. Taste mine. I don't like it.
It's always a good time.
Yeah, always the best. Always the best. Waiting for burgers now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy, hungry.
Hungry.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Another one. Another one. Thank you. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Make a wish. Are you thinking? Woo! It's another one. Woohoo!